Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever woken up after what should have been a full night of sleep and still felt tired? Not just sleepy, but heavy, like your body didn't recharge the way it used to. Your muscles feel slower. Your circulation feels dull. Your confidence, especially physical confidence, feels muted. And somewhere along the way, you were told, just take magnesium. That's what older men need. But here's the uncomfortable truth most men never hear. Magnesium alone is not the fix. You can take magnesium every night and still wake up feeling flat because your body is missing two key vitamins that control nighttime repair itself. And if those two vitamins aren't present at the right time, your body simply cannot rebuild circulation, energy, or performance while you sleep. Tonight, I want to show you a simple, nightly ritual, less than 1 minute, that works with your body's natural repair cycle instead of fighting it. No stimulants, no medications, no forcing anything. Just biology, finally working the way it was designed to. Before we begin, do me a quick favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from. This channel exists because men deserve honest, calm, respectful guidance, not hype. Here's the myth that quietly drains men after 50. Feeling tired, slower, and less responsive is just aging. That belief is powerful and wrong. What's actually happening is this. Your body hasn't lost the ability to repair itself. It has lost the signals and timing it needs to do that repair. After 50, 3 biological changes quietly accelerate. Blood vessels stiffen, reducing circulation, nitric oxide production drops, limiting blood flow, cellular energy systems slow down, especially at night. And here's the key part most men never learn. Your body does its deepest repair at night, not during the day. If you miss that window, no supplement works the way it should. My name is Dr. Jocelyn. For the past 5 years, I've worked with men navigating energy loss, circulation decline, sleep changes, and confidence issues, especially after 50. And I want you to hear this clearly. You are not broken. Your body is not done. It is simply being asked to repair itself without the right instructions. Most men focus on what they take but ignore when they take it. That one mistake changes everything. Let's slow this down and make it clear. Number 1, circulation starts losing flexibility. Your arteries are meant to expand and relax easily. After 50, the inner lining stiffens. Nitric oxide, the molecule that opens blood vessels, declines. Blood flow becomes less responsive. This affects energy, mental clarity, physical performance, and yes, intimate response. Number 2, cellular energy drops. Inside every cell are mitochondria, tiny energy engines. With age, they produce less fuel, recovery slows, muscles and organs don't bounce back overnight. That deep fatigue you feel isn't laziness, it's cellular exhaustion. Number 3, magnesium gets overcredited. Magnesium is helpful, but it's a supporting player, not the director. Magnesium helps muscles relax, calms nerves, but it does not restore nitric oxide, clean up arterial stiffness, direct calcium properly, activate repair genes. It needs leadership. Your body runs on a circadian rhythm, a biological clock. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body enters its deepest repair phase. Hormones rebalance, blood vessels relax, nitric oxide production resets, inflammation cools down, cellular repair accelerates. During the day, cortisol, stress hormone, dominates. At night, repair hormones take over. If you take the right nutrients at the wrong time, they compete with stress instead of supporting healing. Let's count them down, starting with the one almost everyone misunderstands. Vitamin number 2, vitamin D3, the blood flow and hormone switch. Most men think vitamin D is just for bones. That's like saying your engine is just for decoration. Biologically, vitamin D3 functions more like a hormone than a vitamin. It activates genes that control blood vessel flexibility, supports nitric oxide production, influences testosterone signaling, regulates immune and inflammatory responses. After 50, skin produces less D3 from sunlight. Indoor living worsens the deficiency. Low D3 equals stiff arteries plus low energy. Emotionally, men with low D3 often report low motivation, dull mood, reduced physical confidence. Not sadness, just flatness. Practically, dose around 5,000 IU nightly. Important, D3 is fat soluble. Take it with a small healthy fat nuts, olive oil, yogurt. This allows full absorption during your repair window. Vitamin number 1, vitamin K2, the silent director. This is the vitamin almost no one talks about, and it may be the most important. Biologically, vitamin K2 acts like a traffic director for calcium. D3 increases calcium absorption, but without K2, calcium can end up in the wrong places, including arteries. K2 activates proteins that escort calcium into bones, prevents arterial calcification, preserves blood vessel elasticity. Think of it this way. D3 says, we need calcium. K2 says, here's where it goes. Emotionally, when arteries stay flexible, blood flows smoothly. Energy feels steady. Confidence quietly rebuilds. Not a rush, a calm strength. Practically, dose 90 to 180 mg, form MK7, timing always with D3. Here's where magnesium finally fits. The trio. Vitamin D3 boosts nitric oxide plus hormone signaling. Vitamin K2 keeps arteries clean and flexible. Magnesium glycinate helps both vitamins work, plus calms the nervous system. Together, they support deeper sleep, better circulation, more efficient repair. This is where it all comes together. Step 1. Dinner timing. Finish dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed. Digestion steals energy from repair. Step 2. 1 hour before bed. Take vitamin D3, 5,000 IU, vitamin K, 290 to 180, MK7, magnesium glycinate, with a small healthy fat. This signals your body. It's time to rebuild. Step 3. Digital wind down. Dim lights. Turn off screens for 30 minutes. Blue light blocks melatonin, your repair hormone. Step 4. Gentle movement. 5 minutes of stretching, slow breathing. This lowers cortisol and opens blood vessels. Step 5. Mindset reset. Write down one thing you're grateful for. This isn't psychology fluff. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system. Within days, deeper sleep. Within 1 to 2 weeks, smoother mornings, steadier energy. Within weeks, improved circulation, stronger response, quiet confidence, not hype. Biology. Gentlemen, listen closely. Needing support does not make you weak. It means you're paying attention. Your body is not failing you. It's asking for the right timing and signals. And when you give them, it responds. Tonight, place your vitamins on the bedside table, not as pills, but as a promise. A promise that you're done guessing, done forcing, done accepting decline as destiny. Small rituals done consistently restore powerful things. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, share it with a man who needs clarity, not fear, and comment below, what does your nighttime routine look like now? I'm Dr. Jocelyn. And remember, gentlemen, it is never too late to feel strong again.